Welcome to our Time Management Essential series. These are short videos. Batching similar tasks. Group similar tasks together to reduce context switching and enhance focus. Limiting multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to increase efficiency and reduce errors. Creating efficient workflows. Design workflows that reduce time wastage and increase output quality. Prioritizing quality over quantity. Focus on producing quality work rather than simply completing tasks. Regularly reviewing processes. Continually assess and refine your processes to maintain efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, explore more of our content on the YouTube channel under Basheer Juma. Please subscribe to this channel and share this link. Additionally, you can discover a range of books by Basheer Juma on Amazon that might interest you.